Semiconductor product manufacturing etching step temperature. The etch temperature is generally between 35 and 45 degrees. It is a very important step in semiconductor manufacturing process, microelectronic IC manufacturing process and micro-nano manufacturing process. It is a main process of patterning processing associated with lithography. In fact, it is understood in a narrow sense as photolithography etching. First, the photoresist is subjected to photolithography exposure treatment by photolithography, and then the part that needs to be removed is etched by other means. The etching method is mainly divided into two types: wet etching using a specific chemical solution for chemical reaction to remove the oxide film, and dry etching using gas or plasma. Nowadays, dry etching has been widely used to improve the yield of fine semiconductor circuits. It is very important to maintain the uniformity of the whole wafer etching and increase the etching speed. Today's advanced dry etching equipment is supporting the production of advanced logic and memory chips with higher performance.